Hello and welcome to another escapade. This time I'm taking you to Lake District. This is the town of Bowness on Windermere and I'm going to take on a self-drive boat experience. It's a beautiful sunny day today. These brown wooden boats have got oars on their sides and they are manual. But further up, these white boats docked in the water are fuel-based motorboats which you can take for a ride in the water. There is also an option to take on a cruise experience as well. As you can see in the side window, there is an option to hire one of these three boats. We have gone for the top one, Pioneer, and it has got capacity of 6 people. It needs to be booked in advance online. And the charge for 1 hour was around £25. Lake Windermere is the largest lake in Lake District. It is 12 kilometers in length. And as you can see, we are in Bowness village today. I am planning to follow the red track and go towards Windermere and Brockhole Pier. We have been given our safety instructions and now we are putting on our life jackets. Going towards our boat. It is super easy to drive this boat. As you can see on the right side there is a lever and it has got a red button. So you press the button and move the lever up and the boat will start moving forwards. And if you press the red button and move the lever down, the boat will start reversing. And then you can steer the boat with this wheel. Sunny weather, open waters, mountains inside. What else one can ask for? Feels like heaven on earth. In the side window, you'll be able to see some floating red signs, and we have been advised not to go that way. I'm going to go quiet now and let you enjoy the views. Thanks for staying with me. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.